Let's talk about merging on the expressway. On your DMV test or road test, they're going to take you on the expressway. This is a cloverleaf. You have chevron alignment signs to the left. You have an edge line to the right. So you want to be smooth, coming in around 25 to 35 miles an hour. And you want to look, just before you get to the bottom, check traffic. I'm looking, I see a black truck that's going to pass us. And then this is the acceleration lane. You want to push the gas pedal and accelerate up. Use that gas pedal. A lot of beginning drivers hesitate and they don't have a proper merge. I'm coming out about 60 miles an hour. The speed limit here is 70. So both of my hands are on the wheel. I'm going to talk to you a few moments, give you some tips, and send you on your way. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm looking ahead. It is windy. The wind will blow the car across the freeway a little bit, so you don't want to overturn. We're going on a downhill drop, so you just want to lift your foot. You do not want to go over the posted speed limit. If you do, that is automatic failure. At the same time, if you go 10 or more miles under the speed limit, you'll be deemed an ineffective or dangerous driver. So you have to find that balance. So I'm at about 70 miles an hour, maintaining my speed. I check my rear mirror. You want to check your mirrors every 12 to 15 seconds. I'm in the right lane. The middle lane is the smooth lane. The lane to the right, cars will be merging out. They'll be cutting you off, so you want to leave a gap. A gap is a space between you and other vehicles. There's a white truck to my left in my blind spot because I looked on my shoulder and checked it. The lane to the left, the far left, is the passing lane. So you need to know what lane you're in and drive at an appropriate speed. So I'm looking ahead, I'm aiming high. There are some yellow signs. Those are warning signs telling us that there's a sharp curve. Let's examine how these cars merge out. The white car finally has on their blinker. You want to be about 3 to 5 blinks. I'm staying in my lane nice and smooth. We have our chevron alignment signs. They tell us this is a very sharp curve. So we want to be safe. We want to take our time. We want to be smooth. So I'm nice and smooth right now. I'm not overturning my wheel or underturning my wheel. On your DMV test or road test, they're going to have you getting on the freeway, using your mirror turn signal blind spot. They're going to have you getting off, using your mirror turn signal, checking your blind spot, and then de-accelerating. If you don't de-accelerate, you will lose control and your car will basically slide off the ramp. So we're maintaining good speed control, nice and smooth, and it's a really comfortable ride. I'm not overturning the wheel or underturning. On curves like this, it's really easy to go over speed or overturn the wheel. I see the black truck to my right merging out in front of me, so I'm preparing my mind. Do I need to change lanes? Do I need to slow down? Do I need to speed up? Always have a plan. They use their blinker 3 to 4 times. That's a pretty good merge. And I just lifted my foot a little bit to adjust my speed. This is the highway transportation system, so you want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. Most people are driving at the speed limit, and most people do drive at the speed limit. So I'm maintaining good speed. I'm taking my time. I'm in the right lane, which is fine. It depends on where your comfort level is. So we're smooth. I'm checking my mirrors. The wind is blowing a little bit, so areas on the bridge freeze first. Why? Because they're elevated. So if you see a black shiny surface on the bridge, it's probably frozen ice. So I'm nice and smooth on the curve. A lot of beginning drivers overturn the wheel and the car will literally go to the right lane or they underturn. So you want to find that balance. Usually beginning drivers hug the right, and I'm going to show you. This is what it's like. Oh my God, did you hear that? That's us going off the road. That's what beginning drivers will do. So you want to look ahead and aim high. And you always want to look to see what's in front of you. Is there debris? Is there a semi-truck? Is there traffic congestion? So we're maintaining safe distances. We're taking our time. We're looking ahead. And a good driver is really smooth, flawless. You're not overturning. You're not underturning. There's a level of peace. It does bring a little bit of anxiety when you're on the expressway. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.